So the next thing is we have to expand the buttons and collapse the buttons when we click on this button. So here I have an action, main button action. When I click on this button, expanding and collapsing animations, I will do it there. Before that, I have to move all these buttons to the center of this image, this main button. So here what we can do is I can move the fourth button to the third one, and the third button to the second one, and second one to the first one, and hide 3 and 4th, and second one I don't have to hide because it will go behind the main button. Okay, let's see how we can do that. Okay, here self dot fourth button dot center equal to self dot third button dot center, and self dot fourth button alpha. I'm not using is hidden, I'm using the alpha. That will be good while using the animations, and the same stuff will go for the third button, and it will be second button, and here alpha will be for third button, and the second button self dot second button dot center equal to self dot main button dot center. Okay, cool, that is good. Now we have to hide the labels. So self dot button label 4 is no alpha equal to 0. Let me do it for all the other labels. Cool. Now inside this main button action, we will check whether the image is transformed or not. So if self dot main button dot image view dot transform equal to identity. If it is identity, that means it's already rotated. So we will do the collapse animation, else we will do the expand animation. Okay, first we will work on the expand animations. So here we will run and see what this thing will do. So you can see all the main buttons, menu buttons, and the labels are gone. So still the rotation is happening. No error. Okay, cool. Here I am gonna create another function named animate. Animate, and I'm gonna take is animate, a bool value I'm gonna pass from there, bool. So from here I will pass this variable. Expand animation means animate is animate equal to true. Here I will add is animate false. So here if is animate, then I will do the expand action. Sorry for the spelling. Expand anim, else collapse. Okay, cool. For the expand animation, UIViewPropertyAnimator with the curve 0.03 seconds, and the curve will take is in out and animation. So we'll add our all animations first. Here the first animation is when we rotate, we have to expand the second button. I'll move the second button to a point for getting that throwing effect, like it will come to the left first then go up. For that, self dot second button transform equal to CG affine transform scale translation x point minus 30, then minus 30. Then inside a UI view dot animate with the duration and options. Yeah, options 0.3 with a delay of 0.1. Property curve is in out. Yeah. Then animations completion handler is nil. Actually, we don't need a completion handler. Inside this, I will make the self dot second button dot transform to CG affine transform. Translation x value to minus 30 and this to minus 90. Okay, let's see what is happening there. Nothing is happening because I didn't add the property animator, but start animation. Now this should work. Cool. After this we have to show these label. So UIView.animate second label, animate with the delay of animation is 0.2, delay of 0.2. We don't need options. Then inside animation self dot second button label 2 dot alpha equal to 1. We don't need this. Here also I can remove it. Let's see what happens. Works great. Now let's add the remaining animations. We have to show the third button and the third label and fourth button and the fourth label. For this I'll use the same UIView.animate inside this UIView.animate with options 0.3, then delay of 0.2. I'm waiting for the other one to stop, and then curve is in out. Then animation, we don't need a completion. So here I'll show the third button is alpha, sorry, self dot third button alpha equal to 1, and then self dot third button dot transform to the previous position, that will be this, and inside that we have to show the label, third label. For that same delay, so button label 2 we will add button label 3, and inside this UIView.animate with options 2.3, delay of 0.2, animation dot curve is in out, then void completion handler we don't need. Here inside self dot fourth button alpha equal to 1, and then again self dot fourth button transform equal to CG affine transform. Actually the same stuff goes here also, and then the label, instead of button label 3 we will add button label 4. Let's see how it works. That is sad. I'm not sure why it went in that way. Let's see why it went in that way. We don't have to add 30 here, because when we move the sender we didn't move to the minus 30, so it will be 0 only. These two will be 0. Button 3 and button 4, fourth button translation, it should be 0.